I call this moment the cup of hope because it is not just water they are fetching, it is a lesson in love, in patience, in brotherhood. When Much gave that cup to Dear, I see something sacred. It is like he is saying, "You first, my brother," and that simple act teach more than any book can. Every drop of water they carry home is heavy, but it is nothing compared to the weight of their dream. And every evening, when they sit again under that tree, they are not just learning letters, they are learning life. I may not have gone to school, but through them I am learning too, learning that it is never too late to dream, learning that love can build what poverty tries to destroy, learning that education is not found only in big school. Sometimes it grows under a tree in the heart of two little boys. Much and Dear, you are my strength, you are my story, and one day, when you write your name clearly on paper, know that your father is proud. Because you have done what I could not do, you have turned pain into purpose, and you have shown the world that even the smallest children can carry the biggest dream.